Welcome. Tonight we're here to premiere not just one, but two beautiful songs written by the second and third graders of Hayes Elementary. Now, they heard a song. It's a folk song from Africa, and what they did is they did the songwriting. They came up with ideas and suggestions and fun things that would morph into new songs. And there were so many great ideas that we ended up creating two songs, and you get to hear them tonight. This is so cool. If you were wondering, the first instrument we used in our song that you'll see tonight is a shakeré. And the second song, called Come to Our Feast, we were using this African slit drum. So let's give it a listen. Here come my mother, here come my father, here come my sisters, here come my brothers. We'll be together, we'll be together, we'll be together because we are family. Here come our aunties, here come our uncles. I can see grandmas, I can see grandpas. We'll be together, we'll be together, we'll be together because we are family. Here come some new friends, here come our relatives, here come our people back from their journey. We'll be together, we'll be together, we'll be together because we are family. Someone brought ice cream, someone brought new toys. I see guitars and flutes, all of our instruments. We'll be together, we'll be together, we'll be together because we are family. We love them so much, we love them so much, we love them so much because we are family. We are so happy, we are so happy, we are so happy because we are family. This is the second song we wrote. There were so many creative ideas, we decided to do two songs. This one's called Come to Our Feast, because there were so many interesting ideas about food and about how a feast would also have some really fun activities going on. So it goes, come to our feast and come to our party, down by the garden, out by the lake. Now, someone brought corn and someone brought veggies, someone brought squash and all kinds of yummy things. Come to our feast and come to our party, down by the garden, out by the lake. Now, we can see popcorn, we can see cupcakes, we can see pizza, we can see ice cream. Come to our feast now, come to our party, down through the garden and out by the lake. Now, our friends came from far away with mangoes and grapes now, oranges and pineapples and lots of strawberries. Come to our feast and come to our party, down through the garden and out by the lake. Now, we will play games and we'll have a good time with cars and dolls and all of our new toys. Come to the feast and come to the party, down through the garden, out by the lake. Now, let's clap it out. Come to the feast and come to the party, down by the garden, out by the lake. Now, come to our feast and come to our party, down through the garden, out by the lake. Now,